How to make iPhone screen black and white. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find and tap on Accessibility. Accessibility helps you control your phone more easily and provide equal opportunities for everyone. Inside the Accessibility menu, tap on Display and Text Size under the Vision section. This area allows you to adjust visual settings like text size, contrast, and color. Now, scroll down the page and tap on Color Filters. First, tap the toggle switch to turn on color filters. Once enabled, you will see a list of filter options. Simply tap on Grayscale to apply it. Your screen will immediately switch to grayscale. You can also increase or decrease the intensity level according to your preference. Following these steps, you can easily make the iPhone screen black and white.